Hello everyone, this is Jeremy Clarkson and today is a windy day, but I don't care, I'm gonna go for a drive in my Jag. Ooh, heck! Oh, that was close, but thankfully speed and power saved my car. Right, Woody, Buzz and Jessie, we're here to visit the Tombliboos, but I think you three should stay in the car. No problem, Hammond.
We'll find something to keep us entertained, won't we?
Yep. Hello there, Tombliboos. You might want to be careful because it's a bit windy today. Oh no! Tombliboos, your trousers! Hold on, get in the car. Me, Buzz and Jessie and Woody will help you catch them.
Catch your trousers, Tombliboos.
Right.
Let's go get them. Hold on tight, everyone. They're not too far away. We could catch them.
We just need to keep trying.
We just need to go a bit faster. I'm working on it, Woody. Come on, car.
Quick, Tombliboos, catch your trousers.
I'm still on them.
We're never gonna catch them.
Don't give up yet, Jessie. We can still get them. Hang on, I'll put the foot down. Oh, the trousers are on the roof. We'll never get them back now.
The Tombliboos are playing sad music. I think they might be missing their trousers.
Oh dear. I'm gonna go and see if I can find a crane. Huh? What's going on? Why won't it start? Oh no! The insignia died trying to save the Tombliboos' trousers! Wait a minute. I think there's hope. I'm gonna call a mechanic. Huh? What's that sound? It's the Ninky Nonk, but what's it doing?
Tombliboos. It's your trousers.
Guys, look! What is it, Jessie? I haven't called the mechanic yet, but I'm going to try and make this an even happier ending by getting this car to start. Yes! Well done, old girl.
The Ninky Nonk.
What a day that was. I've just heard that Clarkson nearly had his windscreen smashed by a tree branch. And in the meantime, the Tombliboos lost their trousers. We gave chase, but it was the Ninky Nonk that saved the trousers. Thank you, Ninky Nonk. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.